In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drag and drop in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or an experienced user looking to streamline your workflow, mastering drag and drop will help you organize your content with ease. Let's begin by opening any Notion page that you've been working on or a new one you've just created. Once you're inside, you'll notice that Notion is structured around blocks. These blocks can be paragraphs, to-do lists, images, or any other content you choose to insert. Now, as you move your mouse around, hover over any block. When you do this, you'll notice a small 6-dot icon appear to the left of the block. This is your key to reorganizing your page with drag and drop. Once you see those 6 dots, place your mouse over them, click, and hold. This is where the real magic of organization begins. With your mouse button held down, you can now drag that block, move it up or down, or even drag it into another section of your page. This flexibility gives you the power to customize your notes and ideas to match how you think. As you move the block around, keep an eye out for a blue line. This handy visual cue indicates where your block will land once you let go of the mouse button. It's Notion's way of ensuring you have the clarity needed to place your block exactly where you want it without any guesswork. After aligning the blue line to the desired position, simply release the mouse button to drop the block into place. It's as simple as that. You've just utilized Notion's drag and drop feature to refine and organize your content, giving you a neat and tailored layout that's uniquely yours. Remember, this feature not only applies to individual blocks, but also to columns. Within a page, you can drag whole sections to create multiple aligned blocks side by side, offering even more organizational options. With practice, you'll find drag and drop incredibly intuitive and time-saving, enhancing the fluidity with which you can build and adjust your workspace in Notion. So feel free to experiment with it on different pages and see how it can best suit your needs. Organizing your workspace has never been easier, and with this tool, you can ensure your productivity in Notion is maximized. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. We hope this makes your Notion experience smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and insights on mastering Notion and other productivity tools.